there's a video from Gript Media. There's also a statement from Gript Media that talks about this. And you were one of the parties, Jana, so maybe let you, because the same thing happened to you as happened to Gript Media, basically.
Yep.
Go for it.
So I have a few articles here. So the Gript Media article just states, for anyone who hasn't seen it, that a district court judge in Dublin granted a court order to An Garda Síochána, which is the police in Ireland, which gave An Garda Síochána the right to seek detailed information regarding the operation of Gript Media's account on X, the platform known as Twitter. So that was from Gript. I was last Friday at a swimming lesson with my children, and I brought my laptop to do a bit of work while they were swimming, and I opened it up and I got this document, which you can certainly put on this screen for our viewers. It's from the District Court area of Dublin Metropolitan District, and it's a Criminal Justice Act of 1994, Section 63-3, as substituted by Criminal Justice Act of 2008, Section 105. So I looked at it, and it has all blacked out. All the Garda names and all of the judge names and everything is all blacked out. So my first thought, I took a step back and I thought, is this a hoax? Is this real? So I had a few IT people look at the email, which was sent from twitterlegal@x.com. I had my solicitor look at it. And everybody thought it has to be a hoax because the Criminal Justice Act that they quoted was under drug trafficking. So drug trafficking. So we thought, this is what happened. There was someone who got their hands on one of these for actual drug trafficking, and they just stuck in my Twitter handle and my name and emailed it to me to give me a fright. And until today, I actually thought it was a hoax until I saw the Gript article, and I saw another few users on Twitter state that they had gotten the same thing. And just tonight, X posted, and we can overlay that screen as well. X posted from their site at Global Affairs. They actually posted a message to their users, and the message that they sent to their users was that last Friday, the 14th of February, X informed 10 of its Irish users, I should feel special, 1 in 10, right? That it had successfully opposed court orders granting government access to their data using Section 63 Criminal Justice Act of 1994 as amended. In some of these cases, X went to court to ensure that it was not unlawfully forced to disclose user data. X remains committed to protecting its users' privacy and freedom of expression from government overreach. And this is absolutely a government overreach. And I'm not going to be silenced. I'm going to push this just as far as I can take this. I've sought legal advice. This is defamatory. This is threatening, bullying, and it's an intimidation factor to silence me for getting out the truth to the parents of Ireland about the sinister attack on women, children, and families. So if they think that some little letter that the Garda Síochána got from the court to try to force X to release my records is going to silence me, they couldn't be more wrong. So I'm going to push this. I'm going to try to find out who the Garda Síochána's name is and the judge's name who's blacked out. They want to protect their identity, don't they? Of course they do. So I'm going to try to find out as much as I can, more to follow on this. But this is absolutely communism. This is totalitarianism. It's unbelievable that a mother of 2 small kids campaigning against the ideology gets threatened and intimidated by the Garda Síochána in Ireland. You just couldn't make this up.
I'm just thankful that Elon Musk owns Twitter and this wasn't under the previous Twitter ownership, because they would have given in.
Question I have is, how many other companies got this little court order from Garda Síochána and a judge to say we want Jana Lunden's information? Did they send it to Vodafone? Did they send it to Facebook? Did they send it to Instagram, TikTok, or anyone else? So Twitter stood their ground, but how many other companies got this same document from the District Court area of Dublin Metropolitan District?